All right, you guys, Grub Terra came in clutch. They sent me another bag of their black fly larvae chicken treats. They're worms. They're dead though. Look, my chickens are nowhere in sight, right? They're not right here. Watch this. Y'all ready to see how much I love this stuff? Y'all, yes. Look. Petrie! Hi, baby girl. What's her doing? Come on, ducky.
The grubs are fed from local supermarket food waste, helping the environment and small businesses.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. They are. They're loving their treats. Yes, they love it. Yeah, but watch me try and catch a chicken. I'd say my chickens love the Grub Terra, so y'all gotta give it a try. It's linked right here. You can get it on Amazon or grubterra.com.